What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a very simple but instructional one. We're going to be changing the battery on the Toyota Camry key, so stay tuned. Alright, so we'll start with the key. This is the smart key fob from the Toyota Camry. I believe other models have it, but mine is the 2019 Toyota Camry SE with the push start. So that's what this key is for. Buttons, back has a little Toyota emblem. We'll start off with this little tab here. You pull it and you take out the spare key. You're gonna notice this key has a little notch on it. You're gonna come here, right on this little ledge, I don't know if you can see it, and you're just gonna put the key in to a little notch and just turn the key very firmly and just literally open up the key. Once you open it, be careful you don't lose anything. The battery is going to be right here. This is the size battery it is. This is CR2032. There's a little notch right here. You get a little tiny screwdriver. You put into there, flip it out. Make sure when you do put the battery, that the new battery, that it is facing up this way, upwards, and put it back on. Just in case everything does fall off while you're doing this, make sure when you put this on that it sits within this little bracket here. Make sure it's all firm. This goes this way, and before you put this on, I like to test it. So you hold it tight. See a little button on the side? It's working properly. So then now you put it back together, snap it back on, and test it again, make sure it's good. Put the other key, the spare key, back, and that's how you change the battery on the smart key on a Toyota Camry. Alright, guys, well, there you go. Very simple video. A lot of people requested it, and very easy to do, so glad I'm able to do it for you guys. Next video should be the CT front lip that I got from my Camry and that I have actually in the body shop right now getting paint matched. It's actually gonna be a metallic black in the center and then the super white paint match to my car. So I should be able to show you how to take the bumper off, how to install it, and all that 9 yards. I should go to a shop soon one of these days to pick up the lip, and I'll hopefully show you the installation on that. And yeah, that's I have a couple other videos coming in for the Camry, so Camry family, stay tuned. And then once again, guys, thank you for all the support. Follow us on Instagram and IG. I have a lot of projects that I'm showing. Right now this week has been crazy with clean culture, so I have a couple cars that I had to do, and they're gonna be part of it. So it's pretty unique experience, and I can't thank you guys enough for all the support. And on to the next one.